What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for another Icebreaker roller coaster construction update. And we can see the lighthouse out here has gotten a bunch of new paint. Water is also starting to fill in again. Let's go check it out a little bit closer. And it also appears that this area is getting some work. Over here at the ticket window is not much of a wait because, well, it's 5:30. The park closes at 6. But tonight's pass holder night until 9 p.m. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through security, temperature checks, or the front entrance. We're on our way.
And enjoy your day here at SeaWorld. De todos nuestros invitados y empleados. Por favor, recuerde utilizar protección facial y mantener 6 pies de distancia entre su grupo y otros. Gracias y disfruten su día en SeaWorld.
See, I wasn't lying. VIP ride night for pass holders. And there's Icebreaker from across the way. I'm not seeing a train in the maintenance barn, so that means we have one in the waiting area and one in the station. And here we are in the area with the walls down. Again, great view of the turnaround before the waiting area. We have a train sitting right there and one in the station also. Locker rental area looks to be just about done. And we also have the height sticks. Of course, we showed you in a live video, the walls were down over here at the front entrance, revealing the sign with those icebergs. Loose articles are not permitted sign, you can see right there. Test seat is now in place.
And you had the remote, and you were
Well, this is pretty nice. We have more work walls down over here, offering great views. And a better look at some of the icebergs and lighting that's been installed. One other thing I wanted to show you, the ride safety requirements. As you can see, guests must be at least 54 inches tall to ride alone. Guests between 48 and 54 inches must be accompanied by a supervising companion at least 14 years old. Yet another gorgeous icebreaker sunset. Well guys, that's going to do it for another video here from SeaWorld Orlando for Icebreaker. As we saw, we had a chance to get up close and get some much better views with a better camera of the entire area with the walls down. The ride was running 2 trains for testing earlier today, but we did not see any during our visit. That's all right though, we'll have more updates, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.